So here we've got Alfonsino, which is a close relative of the Imperador that we often talk about. So this is a more affordable option compared to Imperador. What you'll notice is obviously this supplier's gone to a great deal of trouble to keep the colour intact. They've soldier packed the fish in the box. They've also used a sort of clear liner here and then a gel pack over the top to keep them at temperature. And you can tell they're good because obviously the gel pack is still hard, which means it hasn't thawed. Now with these fish, obviously red's one of the factors in their appeal. Obviously with Lunar New Year coming up, red's one of the lucky colours. So you'll see reds, golds, basically anything that you see in your local Chinatown or Asian supermarkets, you'll see these colours profiled quite prolifically. And that's a sign of good luck and also fortune. And so for Lunar New Year, this would be one of the species that does quite well because it's got the right colour. You've got things like Imperador, coral trout, banded moong, all of those fish will do really well just because of that. A lot of it's to do with that colour aspect. But freshness is also key. So packing them really well like this is also really